Don't speak to me like that. You're bright. You're out order. Look at you.
This gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink.
What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. While you're here, do me a favor, please. Share this video and help me grow this channel. And give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. That will help with the YouTube algorithm. Now enjoy the video. Jamaica have a new national hero, and it's Spider-Man. Spider-Man is on the move. Spider-Man is loose. Woot woot! Yeah. Spidey sends Chip in. Spidey nearly right off himself. The boss all are dead with laugh. What you mean, Spidey? Yeah, man. Don't know. Meeting time online via Zoom. Why that brother on the left top corner? Leave the meeting. No manners. Watch out. Boss return with lotion and napkin. I think we know what is about to go down. The boss remember saying in a meeting, Jesus buckler pull. Somebody need to call him. Youth, tap watch porn. Watch out. The boss got a busting rifle in front of everybody. Hey boy, put that looking nine. Yo, somebody call him before embarrassing himself to your role. Oh my god, watch the woman them expression. Jesus God. Youth. Don't speak to me like that. You're bright. You're out order. Look at you. Who you call that? You want a slap in your head? Huh? Them brother out order and bright. Oi. Man, know you speak to me.
Fuck you.
Go ahead. Dirty bird. You're out order. Yo, them brother have no manners. I will teach them to chat.
Fuck you.
Right back at you.
Oh shit.
Yo.
Oh shit.
Them brother want Lysol in their mouth. Their mouth too dirty.
Goddamn fucking
Hear this.
son of a bitch.
What?
Damn fucking son of a bitch. Goddamn
I
fucking
will teach
son
them
of
to
a
chat.
bitch. Goddamn fucking son of
Stop
a
it.
bitch.
No feeding fear tonight. Stop it. Wanna pretty and nice, eh?
What did you say?
Nah, no manners.
You're a naughty bird.
Move on, go. You only look pretty, like your moha still turn up.
What do you call me?
But that's all you have, boy. You. Go. No manners. Go. No feeding.
You're a naughty.
Should I me a your master?
Goodbye.
I tell him goodbye for.
Fuck freak. Fuck off.
Yeah.
Yo, them brother full of...
Shut up.
Yo.
Stupid, Ruby.
Them brother need punishment. Need Lysol and teeth. What them out and brush it dirty.
Cunt.
Oh my god. Not even me no use much bad word to next side.
You stupid cunt.
Yo, them brother need to speak English other than bad word. Their vocabulary tiny. Only thing they know if you use a bad word. I will teach them. No one they're English bird, about what? Sup peeps? Thanks for watching. I always appreciate you guys tuning into my channel. Please remember to give this video the thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell, and share the video. And until next time, stay safe.
Watch me act stupid. Down. This gonna go down.